So you pull up to your local Walmart, it's raining. That ain't stopping you though. All you know is that you want a head wrap and you gotta get it right now, today. So here we are. We in here, we on a mission. All right. So which y'all? Health and beauty. All right, here we go. Run. Health and beauty. Wait, what? I don't think I'm in the right. What? No. So okay, boom. All right, hair care. Boom. Going here. All right. See the Cantu, Shea Moisture. We getting close to African Black culture stuff. Ooh, that's the one. It's African culture. Y'all, why I feel like everybody and their mama and their sister and their auntie and their cousin got this head wrap. And I would wear it. People would be like, yo, I got that too. This is the infamous Cantu head wrap. You feel what I'm saying? And it's long, just it's not wide. You feel me? So it's kind of hard to make that big old, large, fabulous head wrap that you see people wearing with just this. So today, I'm gonna show you how to accomplish that, along with 6 other head wrap ideas for Locs. And how to get that look, loves, because that's what I'm here for. And I had a lovely nurse friend, aka one of my viewers, comment, and she was like, yo girl, I got that wrap too. Kay Castillo, I hope I'm saying that right. I hope it's not Castillo, but I'm feeling like it's Castillo. So thank you for this idea of this video. This one's for you, girl. So yeah, she had commented on one of my videos. She was like, yo, I got that same wrap, but I don't know what to do with it. Help. Let's get right into it. You're gonna need a scrunchie, just a handy dandy scrunchie. And I really like these ones. I think I got it off of Amazon. You know, it doesn't snatch. It's nice and stretchy. It's really good for, you know, thick locks or a lot of hair. So yeah, you need a scrunchie. You need some kind of like big head wrap. I really like this one. I think this one's also Cantu, y'all. I think I got this one at Walmart. Or you can use something like this. You feel what I'm saying? I got this one off of Amazon. So this thing is like, woo, it is freshly washed. Yes, Lord. So yeah, this thing is like pretty big. You feel what I'm saying? So boom, you're gonna need you something like this. Something like this, you know, boom. So this is huge, right? These are like the ideal ones that you want to wrap your hair with. And then you got this little guy. You feel me? Like, what are we gonna do with this? You feel me? So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna put, why hello there lovelies, welcome to my backyard. So I wanted to start this off for people with very short locks or maybe no hair at all. I just want you to know that anybody can accomplish this look pretty much. So here's the Amazon one that I have. You just want something, you can even do with this with a t-shirt. You want some kind of a stuffer. And then that's the large one that I got from Walmart. And that's gonna go atop of this to achieve that same elegant, regal, large head wrap look. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna take the front pieces, tie them. And it doesn't really matter if this one looks messy underneath. I'm just really trying to secure it on my head, so it's nice and tight. And you can either tie this up high or down low. I would advise up high. Only reason I tie it down low in the second part is to get my ponytail under control. So if this speaks to you or you need to do it like this, hey, there's 2 options. So now I have my Cantu head wrap, and how I like to do any head wrap with print, I will turn the print facing me and then swoosh. Easy application. Put this on top like so, and you want it to be in the middle. And so I'm gonna make this crisscross in the front. And as you're doing this, you're gonna wanna straighten things out, but this one I didn't worry too much about that. I was really just trying to get the tutorial down. And so you're gonna wanna pull that piece to the back. The more you pull, the better, because you'll have more to stuff. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. See, I'm just rearranging things, making sure everything is covered up under there. All right, so for this part, you don't have to tie a knot. Just pull it tight to make sure it's secure and tuck it. Just find somewhere to tuck it. And this ends up looking different every time, and I love that because it's like I'm surprised every time. And so right here, I'm just straightening things out because this little head wrap tends to like flip and whatnot. So you just want to get it flattened out to your desire, to your liking. I was using one hand and my other hand had my phone, trying to see the back of my head. So I didn't do the best stuffing job. This is what I'm talking about right here. The more you have, the more you can stuff. So I'm just trying to get everything under control. Y'all, look at this big old ponytail. So yeah, just stuffing everything in, making sure everything looks clean. Now, y'all, imagine with me. Imagine I don't have all these locks on my head. So boom, here go the finished product. Side. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that little like button down there. Appreciate you. And y'all, you already know, if you're loving the vibes, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you know every time I post. So you can either pick the colorful head wrap, or you can use a black head wrap, or whatever type head wrap that you want. In this video, the feature is the Cantu head wrap, so that's what I will be wrapping my hair with. This is one of my favorite styles, and this is look 2. The first one was look 1. This is look 2, and y'all, this sun out here is just gorgeous. I love basking in the sun. So you're gonna want to hit that little swoosh. You're gonna want your head in the middle, like so. And if you want to do this with bigger head wraps, just make sure that they are the same size. So fold them up to be the same size as this Cantu head wrap. I'm just gonna take these 2 pieces, crisscross in the back. And so this is a look that I do with this every once in a while when I want to add a little pizzazz or a little extra zhuzh, or I don't even know if that's a word. Just some little extra, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take this piece right here. I'm gonna tuck it in like so, but I'm gonna leave a little bit hanging out, you know? And I'm gonna leave whatever part of the print is matching my outfit, or just whatever part of the print that I prefer for the day. And there you have it. Side view, back view, side view again, and voila. All right, but how I usually do it, y'all, I'm gonna take this little piece right here, tuck it in. I'm gonna take this bigger piece, make sure that the print is showing, tuck this in, get my little pineapple together. Making sure everything is straight in the back. Like I said, it's easier when you have both hands, you're in the bathroom, you know, you can make sure you're looking nice and tight, y'all. But this is the final look. Side view, front view. I'm just basking out here in this sun, y'all. It just felt so lovely out here in this Florida weather, in this Florida faux winter. So y'all, there's variations to this one. You can either have a side part or a middle part. I love the side part when I do this updo. So here's the side part. And you literally just move it around like I'm doing. This is the middle part. And this is them side by side so that you can really get a good visual, see what you prefer. So now this is look number 3, y'all. Fairly simple. Just pull you out a little bang, either 1 or 2 or however many you'd like. This is look 4, and this is the first time I did this. Whenever I'm recording, the creative juices just be flowing. So here you go, y'all. You can get you a little accessory, whatever you'd like to put in the middle, or you can just keep it plain like that. But y'all already know the African mermaid gonna accessorize. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I put me that little shell right there. I just thought this was so cute, y'all. Like, I'm gonna definitely be wearing this. And there you have it. Just cute, simple, elegant. I'm in love. I had to put a little snappity snapshot in there because I just thought it was so cute, y'all. So on to look 5. Tie you up a little messy bun. Swoosh that thing around. Get it on top of your head. We're basically going to do the same thing that we did with the little stuffer. So you're just going to scrunch everything up nice and tight. Go ahead, hit that crisscross in the front. Once again, this one does not have to be neat. What you see me doing is just shaping it to my liking. And I didn't even mean for that little bang to be out, but y'all, I love it. You know what I'm saying? Who don't like a little bang? You feel me? So tie it in the back like so. After you wrap it around, just hit that tuck. It's all about the tuck game in these head wraps, y'all. Shaping it out some more, because essentially this is the shape that the head wrap will have, but this is the bottom layer. So you're gonna swoosh that next one around. Make sure it's tight in the back. So this one I'm doing a little more cautiously, y'all. So this one I'm trying to make it neat, you know. Sometimes that thing be rolling back up on me and I'd be like, all right, just do what you do. I'm still gonna wear it. So all right, pull that back one up a little bit just to make sure everything is nice and covered and tight. So this is right here. This is what does it, what makes it look like it's so much bigger. Basically, you're just covering what you wrapped your hair with initially. So the first wrap, you're working to cover this. And like I said, the more you pull, the more coverage you'll have. And I was working with just one hand here and I wasn't really looking in the mirror. Usually it's cleaner than this, but I think it still turned out all right. So I think I twisted that in the back. You don't have to, you can just wrap it. So I'm just tucking this and I'm making sure my pattern is showing. And I'm just tightening it, you know what I'm saying? So everything's all secure and tight. Tucking it right there. And so if I was in the bathroom with my mirror, I would have tucked that middle part a little better, but this is the final look. You know, you can clean it up a little more. I really love it. I really love this Regal Erykah Badu vibe. So onto the 6th way that you can wear this head wrap. Spray my hair up with some aloe vera goodness. Massage that thing in there. And let's get to it. So y'all, I literally made these last 2 up on the spot. I was trying to recreate something else I had done, but these 2 came and I love them. So pick you out a couple little bangs that you're gonna wanna hang out and put them in a little ponytail. So you're gonna wanna take these 2, and mind you, I did this kind of messy because I was literally just making it up on the spot, but I straightened it out a little bit. But you know, if you want it more cleaner, just straighten it out before you do the wrapping. And this is a smaller head wrap, y'all. It's not that same big one, but you're just gonna want something to stuff it so that your little ball on top looks nice and healthy. So you're gonna wrap it around. And the second time I do this with the last look, you're gonna really see how I wrap this around. So I hope this is visual enough. So I'm making sure my pattern is showing on the outside one. The first wrap, I didn't really care whether the pattern was showing or not because that'll be underneath. So, you know, you just want to make it tight. Pull this little bad boy to the back and tuckity tuck tuck. And then just tuck that little piece right there. My nephew was saying hi to me, y'all. He's 4, he's so cute. I love him so much. So boom. Just keep on tucking, y'all. The name of the game, tuckity tuck tuck. So this is me straightening it out because I just threw this up however. But like I said, if you're more cautious to have everything showing and straight in the beginning, you won't have too much cleanup to do. And y'all don't mind that little lock that's sticking up that I wrapped with that silver lining. So yeah, here it goes. So here goes the final look, the back, the sides. Straighten out as you see fit. This is easier for me when I have like a mirror and I'm in the bathroom, but I still like the way it turned out. Ding. Making my important business calls, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that joke was so funny. There's nobody on the phone, y'all. Make sure you stay hydrated. Back with the aloe vera. This is just helping my locks sit well because it was up and might have been a little stiff. So for this look, you're going to want to open up the Cantu wrap a little wider. Put it on your head like so. This is me just straightening everything out. So this little opening right here is where you're going to want to stuff it with something. And just make sure you hold that tight. And then boom, you're gonna wrap. So one side you're wrapping, and then you tuck the end. And then the next side, you wanna make sure that your pattern is showing. You see how I'm holding on to this little ball the whole time? You wanna make sure you hold on to it until it's nicely wrapped. Wrap it around like so. And then boom, y'all, I really love these last two looks. Like, I've never tried them before, but you know, as I shoot videos, I'm inspired. I just feel the creative juices flowing. So I can't wait to wear these two. So feel free to clean it up a little bit more when you try these looks. You know, smooth things out, make sure things aren't rolling up, all that good stuff. And if you have an Instagram, I would love to be friends. So if you try any of these looks or anything else on my page in the future, you can tag me so I can see how fabulous it looks on you, because I know it's gonna be fabulous, girl. Or bruv. And y'all already know, for more lock content, hit the video right there. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all be well, be love out there to the world, and y'all be blessed.